Today, I'll show you how to make the softest, tastiest steamed cabbage that goes with almost anything. Let's get cooking. Heat a pan or pot on medium heat and add your oil. Saute the onions until soft. Add the cabbage and stir gently. You can now cover and let it steam for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring once or twice. You don't want it to be mushy, just soft and bright. Season with salt or black pepper. If you like color, add carrots or peppers now. Look at that. Perfect, steamed, juicy and full of flavor. This goes great with ugali, rice, chapati or fish in my case. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Ciao.